Today we review the Drag 2 kit. Before that though, if you want to check out the in-depth specs or just want to nab yours right now, click the link above to head on over to our site. Now for the review. The Drag 2 is the next generation in the drag lineage. Right away you'll notice its ergonomic design. Taking a step away from the boxier look, the sides have been contoured to give your hands a break, and trust me, it's welcome. This mod comes in both slightly smaller and lighter than the original, which may be a positive or negative depending on your preference. The Drag 2 is built from a rugged zinc alloy and has all the host and features you'd expect from this line, with a couple of standout upgrades. One is that they've increased the watt limit from 157 to 177 for you cloud chasing champions, and it introduces fit mode. This mode has 3 features: cloud, flavor, and battery. These features are meant to boost the specific style of vaping that you enjoy while protecting your sub-ohm take from burnout. Pretty nifty, I'd say. They've also centered the 510 connection, which is much appreciated. The magnetic door leaves a bit to be desired as it has a bit of a wiggle, but other than that, this is a solidly built mod with a lot going for it. To the tank. The UForce T2 is a tank to behold. It has a 5mm bubble glass pre-installed along with the oh-so-smooth U2 dual mesh coil rated for 0.4 ohm with a range of 40 to 80 watts. It also comes with the N3 triple mesh coil rated for 0.2 ohm with a range of 65 to 100 watts. It's constructed of rugged stainless steel, has a slide to open top fill, 3 big fully adjustable airflow holes, and a gold-plated 510 connection. Altogether, this thing vapes great and looks even greater, especially with that resin widebore drip tip that matches nicely to the mod. So in the end, is the Drag 2 a worthy successor to the name? Why yes. Yes it is. Get yours today. Hey, so you watched the entire review. Pretty darn cool. You should probably go over and go pick yourself up a Drag 2 right now. Yes, I'm vaping it. Yes, it's amazing.
Blah, blah, blah.